and welcome back to All Things Janae. Today is my second day night off, I guess you could say. It's really a first day off. Tomorrow is my last shift off. So I decided that I wanted to treat myself to a massage today. My shoulders and neck has been bothering me so bad, and my lower back it's been aching. So I said that we are going to go treat ourselves to a massage randomly on a Monday. Okay, this is the beauty of nursing. Just hopping up on a Monday and going to get a massage. We do have our perks. I'm not even gonna hold you. A massage in the middle of the week, you can't go wrong. Okay, I love me a massage. I love me a spa day. I've been researching different spas in Atlanta, and I haven't really found one like that's all that, so to speak. But we're gonna see via social media rather. So we're gonna go see or check out a spa today, and hopefully it's living up to the expectations that I like. Okay. I'm gonna get ready and head out now. I got dressed. I had some other things scheduled that I wanted to do today, but we'll see how everything is looking after I leave the spa and continue. I wanted to go to like this cafe and sit down and do some work on my laptop just to get out the house, because I feel like when I'm in the house I don't do as much work. But we'll see how everything go after I get my massage, how I'm feeling, you know. Yeah, so let's go ahead and head out this door.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the hole. Touchdown in my...
We just finished our spa. When I say that felt so good, super relaxing. When I say my shoulders and lower back was like really bothering me, and she did what she needed to do. She did what she needed to do. It was so relaxing, so peaceful. I would definitely go back. If they had the option to add like a pool or a jacuzzi, it would be top notch. But I'm about to go grocery shopping. The cafe that I was going to go to is actually closed, so I'm going to go there tomorrow morning. I'm going to try to make sure I get up early so I can go to the cafe and then meal prep later on tomorrow night. But we're going to do our grocery shopping today. I'm going to actually try out this new Publix that's in the area that everybody was raving about. We're going to see what that is like, and then we're going to go back home and probably do some stuff at home as far as like editing and things of that sort. Pretty chill day, super relaxing. Let's head to the grocery store.
I am on my own now. I am in control now. I need you to go now. I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit. Back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you. Don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you. Don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back. Yeah, bitch. Back on my pussy. Back on my dish. You in the studio. Back on tequila. Back on the strippers. All the groupies.
After this trip to Publix, I'm convinced that I am made to be a stay-at-home wife and mom. Like, going to the grocery store for the fam, drinking mimosas, going to the spa on a Monday. Yeah. This is the life for me. Like, I'm mimosa in the grocery store. Love it. Love it, Publix. You did your ones too. Yeah. Okay, we are back home from our spa day / grocery shopping day for our meal prep for this week. I feel so rejuvenated. We are going to put our groceries up, take a shower, take it in, and relax, okay? Some days it's just soft and gentle, okay? That'd be the life for me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come